Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to print from an iPhone. Printing from an iPhone is easy and can be done in simple steps. Here's how you can do it. Make sure you have set up your printer on your iPhone. If your printer still needs to be set up, click the iCard to watch the full video on how to set up wireless printer on iPhone. Here, I have already set up my printer with my iPhone. Now, you have to open the document you want to print from, such as the Safari browser, mail, files, or photos. For the Safari browser, launch the Safari browser app and head to the webpage you want to print for. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom. Scroll down the share sheet and tap on the print option. Then select the printer and the number of copies to print. At last, tap on print at the top right corner. That's it. For email, open the mail that you want to print. Then tap on the share icon. Scroll down the share sheet and select the print option. Now, select the printer and number of copies to print. Tap on print to print the mail. That's it. For files, launch the Files app and select the document you want to print. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. You will see a share sheet to see the send options. Now, scroll down the share sheet and select the print command. After that, select the printer's name and number of copies. Then, tap on the print button at the top right corner. That's it. For photos, launch the Photo app and select the photo. Then, tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Now, scroll down and select the print option from the share sheet. After that, select the printer and number of copies. Then tap the print option at the top right corner. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.